everybody, welcome back to Maths with Mrs. Dodd. Today we are going to be looking at word problems and trying to solve them. Okay, today's lesson is going to be all about addition word problems, and we're going to work hard to solve the answers. The first problem I've got is this, and I need to solve it with your help. It says Harry had 6 marbles. Isla gave him 13 more. How many marbles does Harry now have? So he started off with 6, and Isla gave him 13 more. How many does he have now? So we need to think carefully and add these two numbers up, because he started off with 6 and he got 13 more. So how many does he have now? Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw it as a bar model, because we know the two parts from the word problem. We know that he started off with 6 and he had 13 more. So we need to know what 6 and 13 makes. We can also draw it as a part-whole model. We know that he has 6 to start with, and she gives him 13 more, and we need to find that answer there. So we need to do 6 at 13 equals. But we know in an addition, we can start with the biggest number. So we can actually do 13 add 6 equals. So I'm going to just change my number calculation around to make it a little easier for ourselves. 13 add 6 equals. Now, have a think about how we could figure this out. We have been practicing using a number line. We've been drawing pictures. We've been using tens frames, and we've been using objects as well. Okay, I'm going to use my number line to help me. If you want to figure it out now, you can pause the video, use a number line, use objects, use a method of your choice that we've been practicing, and see if you get the same answer as me. So here's my number line. I need to start off with the number 13. And remember, we're adding, so we're going forwards. Today we're counting on, and we're adding on 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I've landed on the number 19. So here is my answer. 6 and 13 is 19. Well done, everybody. Let's have a go at one more. I'm going to rub my board off and read you the next question. Jack had 12 sweets. His mum gave him 3 more. Lucky Jack. How many does he now have altogether? So, which numbers are we working with now? Well done. He had 12. His mum gave him 3 more. So what will our number calculation be? That's right. It will be 12 add 3. I'm going to draw it as a bar model again. Put my numbers in there because those are the ones I need to add. And my part-whole model. 12 and 3 there. And I'm going to figure it out. I'm going to figure it out by drawing my circles and my objects. So I'm going to start with 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, going to add 3 more. So I'm going to do 3 over here. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to add them all up. Now I'm going to count them all together to see what I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. A quicker way of doing that is counting on from the number 12. So you could put 12 in your head. 12, 13, 14, 15. My 15 will go there and there. Marvellous. Well done. We're going to do it one more time, and I'm going to show you one more way of doing it before I give you a challenge for yourself. And this time I'm going to do 9 add 4. Okay, I've got 9 sweets and my mum gives me 4, so I'm going to draw that as my bar model. Okay, and this time I'm going to just draw my part-whole model there. I'm going to write the number there, 9, because that's my biggest number, and I'm going to draw 4 because that's the number I'm adding to it. So I'm going to put 9 in my head and count on my 4 dots. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So my answer is 13. Okay, here's your word problem that I'd like you to figure out. Sam had 11 sweets. His mum gave him 6 more. How many does Sam have altogether? So you can use a number line, you can use the counting on method that we've just done last, or you can draw your pictures, or use objects. Don't forget to tweet at Overchurch at home. Bye bye.